Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna proxy our iPhone to PC. Okay, so on PC all you want to do is to download Burp Suite. Alright, so just write Burp Suite and you wanna grab the community edition. Okay, and here just click straight to downloads. Okay, meanwhile this is downloading, all you can do is you wanna get your IP4 address, so you can either press left shift and then right click. You're gonna see open terminal here if you're on Windows 11, but if you're on Windows 10 you're gonna see open PowerShell window here. Okay, then what you want to do, you want to write this IP config and you want to write down or memorize your IP4 address. Okay, alright, so right here I'm gonna install this Burp Suite. You can search it and click launch it. Okay, alright, so if you're opening this for the first time, you're gonna see this a temporary project in memory. Click next, use Burp defaults. Alright, start Burp. Here you can either way hide this tab right here, and now watch carefully. You're gonna click on proxy, then onto proxy settings, this gear settings icon, then you wanna turn this off. You're gonna click add underneath proxy listeners. You're gonna bind to port. You're gonna add 8080. Okay, and for this one you wanna choose a specific address, and a specific address or all interfaces loop back only, so I'm just gonna do a specific address. Okay, and here you can use force use of TLS, certificate, TLS protocols, HTTP. Make sure this support HTTP and HTTP2 is ticked. Alright, so then just click OK. Here you'll be prompted. Okay, make sure that guys you click allow access right here. If you don't do this, if this firewall, Windows firewall security alert does not pop up, then you won't be able to get any HTTP traffics into the Burp Suite application. Okay, so now that we've done that, all right, now I'm gonna close this, and now I'm gonna go to HTTP history. Okay, right here it's gonna be like HTTP history is currently empty. Okay, don't worry about it. Now we're gonna move on the phone. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna proxy the same IP4 proxies that we've got from the CMD, from the PowerShell window. Okay, and we're gonna add it onto our iOS device. Okay, onto our iPhone. And guys, this method works for both Android and iOS devices. And yes, quote, I'm using the latest iOS device, which is iOS 17.4.1. Okay, this is the latest iOS update. Okay, so first thing first, what you want to do, guys? My bad. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go to settings and you want to go to your Wi-Fi. Okay, all right, then you want to select this. You want to go to where it says HTTP proxies, configure proxy. Tap on this, choose manual right here. Okay, and in the server you want to enter your IP4 address. Mine is 192.1. Okay, and the port, you're gonna bind the same port that you put in Burp suite. Okay, which is 8080. Then you wanna hit saved. Now you wanna open your Safari browser, and right here you wanna write this HTTP // and then BURP. Okay, you wanna write this word HTTP / burp, and then just press go. Alright, so you will be brought to this page. Now watch carefully. So what you wanna do, you wanna zoom in like this, then you wanna move up. You wanna see a CA certificate right here. Just tap on it. Okay, tap on it one time. You're gonna see this. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Click allow. Okay, here you're gonna see profile downloaded. Close. Now just close out of this. Okay, go back to settings. Go back to settings, and right here underneath your name, okay, right here underneath your Apple ID, whatever, you're gonna see a profile downloaded. Tap on this, and here all you want to do is to install this CA certificate. Okay, so once you click install, it's gonna prompt you to enter your passcode or whatever, fingerprint, face ID, passcode, pin. Okay, all right, so once you've done that, you're gonna get a warning right here. Just click install and install right here again. Okay, so once you see this, that means it is done. We are halfway done. Then click done. So you wanna go to general and then to about, and then you wanna scroll down to certificate trust settings right here. Okay, and right here you're gonna see this. So you wanna make sure to enable the full trust root certificate. Tap on this, click continue. Okay, so now once you've done that, now let's say you wanna open any apps. Let's say I'm gonna open whatever, any apps that I open, I should be able to get the links. Okay, I should be able getting links right here, as you can see in the HTTP history. In the HTTP history, I will be able to get links like this, the API. Okay, here's one API right here, API to GraphQL. Okay, so yeah, so this is just an example, guys, how to do this. All right, so now say I would like to turn off, then all you want to do is to go back, click here, scroll down, go to configure proxy, because if you keep your configure proxy on manual, then watch what will happen. If I try to go in App Store, it won't connect me into App Store because of the proxy. As you see, cannot connect. And now if I switch back and I turn off the configure proxy, turn off. Now watch what will happen. And I click retry, and boom, App Store loaded successfully. Now I can download any apps, and let's say I would like to see the traffic, the HTTP traffic, SSL traffic, or whatever that you wanna call it, and I can intercept that traffic on my PC and further manipulate the API, like creating configs like in Silver Bullet, Open Bullet, whatever the hell you want. Okay, do it. This is how we proxy our iOS device, our latest iOS 17.4.1 to PC. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.